In this video, I will be showing you how to look at deleted messages on Instagram. First, you need to launch the Instagram application. Kindly go to your profile and click the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, look for your activity. Now, once you're here, scroll down again and kindly look for Download Your Information. Click this one and it says get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram, click download. Now you have to enter Instagram password for your account. So kind of type and click next. And it says download requested, click done. Now all you have to do is to wait for the customer service team to send you the full copy of your requested information of your Instagram, including the deleted messages and the messages of your Instagram account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.